Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unbagging for you some grab bags from Michaels. So Michaels has grab bags after every holiday season. I unboxed a bunch of Christmas ones that were very popular, and here I'm going to unbox what they had out for Valentine's. So the first thing I'm pulling out of the bag is Celebrated Valentine's Day boxes. Perfect, cute, really adorable. There's 4 of these boxes in each container. And then there's some of these boxes as well, which were meant to have the note cards in there. I'm actually going to use this as a ballot box. I am working with the Heart and Stroke Foundation to put on the Scrap for Heart this weekend, and we will be able to put together a really nice gift basket, all heart themed, with the things that are inside this bag. So some really cute gift bags. Get 4 of those. Those are really nice. A cute little heart wreath. Some heart decals. I'm going to total up everything at the end and tell you the value of the goods. Looking for my stud muffin. Oh wow, these are cute. Little tubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in there. Love this. Never get enough of that. And then a little sign that says kisses. So that was bag number 1. Now, I can tell you already these bags are smaller than the Christmas ones are that I had. The totals there were quite amazing, but good things come in small packages, so let's see what we've got. So we've got some cute little stuffies. There's 3 of these guys. 3 of those. Cute little, good for any time of the year. Quite a few stickers. 2 of those. 1 of the, yeah, that's nice. Good for paper crafters. Some more stickers. Seems to be 2 in this one. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be 2. 16 piece, yeah, I guess it is. So quite a few little kitty type things in this one. Some stamps, little finger eyes, and these little heart squishy things. Always popular with children. Also popular with children are these squishy keychains. Oh, cute little bear. Oh, some very nice heart ribbon, which actually, I think I got some of this ribbon in my Valentine Day swap. It was really pretty, I used it. Oh, this is a cute little keychain. Some more stickers, little book with a, actually, I love this for the key ring. I can steal these and make flip books out of them. Oh gosh, they're all really nice stickers. Those are really good. Yeah, that's nice. Sorry, just recovering from a cold. Yeah, these are fantastic. I did not realize how nice these books were. I saw them on the, that's cute, on the racks there. Not sure what's wrong with this guy, but he's another one of those keychains. It's cute. A little towel. Oh gosh, all kinds of cute stuff in here. Fun little pics. Not necessarily Valentine Day at all. Baked with love. So that's good. This is definitely Valentine. Be kind, Valentine. Cute little pizza book. Love you to pizzas. Cute little stickers in there. I think I might just steal the key rings off of those and give my girls the stickers. Treat boxes. Oh, very handy. Very nice. So you could do, I'm trying to see how many boxes are in here. 2-piece. So I think it's just the one box. It's in 2 pieces. Almost looks like, well, there's 4 things. So I think you get actually 2 sets of these boxes. Let me see what that looks like. Trying to avoid the glare for you. Okay, so that was bag number 2. Bag number 3. I saw her put this in there. I was actually there when she was putting these together. So this is perfect for the Scrap for Heart. It actually has batteries and it lights up. This I will keep and make a shadow box with that, because that is very nice. Perfect size for a shadow box too. That's great. Another really cute sign. It's actually in the shape of a heart. And it's a cute little trailer. That's fun. Love, heart. That's nice. Oh, something scrapbook related. Regular $21.99. Me and my big ideas. Oh, planner. Happy planner. Stamps. Nice. Really nice. This is the pattern on the back there. And some cute little smitten stickers. Unicorns and cats. As you can see on the sides there. Lots of nice little stickers. That's bag number 3. So this is going well. When I went through the bags for Christmas, gosh, they were jam-packed with so much stuff. And it took me forever to get through them. I'm trying to do it quicker for you guys today. This is a really nice sign that says love. That will be a great thing to put in the donation for the basket. Again, more gift bags. Silver, which is just perfect. Oh, that's great. Gosh, if we had a bunch of these, they could be like centerpieces. Well, that'll come in handy for sure. That's really cute. Oh, there's a heart-shaped wreath coming out of the bag here. So again, everything that you're seeing, each of these grab bags were $4 for the whole bag. So this is a cute little heart. I really like these little hearts. Those are very nice. Oh, wow, this is nice. Wow, this is really, really nice. I think this might be my favorite one so far. It's all stuck together. Look at how pretty that is. $14. That's really cute. I like that. Like that a lot. Be nice even to decorate my table. I'm going to be a vendor there, and these things will all come in handy. Would have come in handy. All this stuff. Maybe I'll keep a few things to put in some Valentine Happy Mail, like these cute little hearts. It'd be cute to sprinkle in a box with some packaging. Anyways, that's nice. Little ornaments. Okay, I've got 7 items in total, and one of the items that I bought was this bin, this wooden Paris box. I really like it. It was $4 just for that one thing. Okay, oh, some more treat boxes. New rock, hearts, very cute. This one also says 2 pieces. You kind of see a little bit there. And some little Valentine's Day picks, but again, just hearts, so it doesn't have to be Valentine's Day specifically. Some decals for the wall. Some pipe cleaners, great for kids' crafts especially. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this is great. Heart. Oh, wow. You guys. Heart Day banner and Heart Day rosettes. Oh, these are great. So we'll have a photo booth at the event. So these would make great backdrop pieces. Really good. And speaking of props, how perfect are these? Well, those are great. EXO, Celebrate, Kiss Me, True Besties. This is perfect. Hard-eyed. Oh, this is great. This will be really an awesome prop for the photo booth. Okay, I'm super excited about what I'm seeing here. Very, very, very nice. So we've got some more of these picks, which I really like. I think this is my favorite bag so far. Enamel dots. Got some puffy stickers with mason jars. X's and O's. Another X and O one. And hearts. That's really, really good. Some more of those mason jars. And this one actually has cupcake liners stuck on you that match the tags as well. Oh, and another banner. Really good. Oh, and some washi. Perfect. Lips and XOXO. Okay, moving along here. That's my favorite bag so far. So the total for everything here was about $31 with tax in Canada. Got some more of these boxes, which is great. Always use boxes. Oh, a puzzle. That's interesting. Ships and things. That's pretty nice. I do not need more of these, but ornaments. If anybody saw my last haul, you know I have a lot of ornaments. Icing decorations with hearts. Cute. Oh, a little heart-shaped box. It's handy. A love sign. That was $12 originally. Really nice gift bag. All these gift bags are great. This is XO bag. This I will get lots of use of. Always using Shred. Okay, we've got some great stuff in here, you guys. And last but not least, some more boxes. 1, 2. Oh, white ones are good for any time of year. 3, 4. And the rest is Shred. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's great. This is something that I will get good use out of and will be a nice little liner for my lovely Valentine Day gift basket. Actually, heart-themed gift basket that I make for the crop that's coming up this weekend. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you here, and we'd see you again next time. Bye.